This is Doug and Nikki. We're from Pennsylvania, Lancaster area, Pennsylvania, and we came all the way out to Schoolypalooza, Quartzsite, Arizona, and this is our home bus right here. We don't have a name for it, but if we did, I think we'd call it Woof. Woof as in, not woof like the animal, but woof like the sound our dogs make. Come on in. Welcome. Oh, there they go. They wanted to show you.
Guard dogs.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this is the inside of the bus. The front driver's area is pretty basic. Have the mat for long distances, helps with the back. Here's some of my solar system. We run our hot water heater and our refrigerator, our TV, our water pump, our lights, everything off solar batteries, solar panels with batteries. We have 600 watts of solar, along with 4 extra RV batteries on it.
And
There's the TV. This is all cork up here, so you can put screws or tacks into it, and it doesn't leave a mark when you take them out. It kind of seals itself back up, and it helps with sound deadening as well. And then here are the front benches. These benches are storage. Put all kinds of stuff in here. We are loaded up with blankets and whatever else we may need. But what's neat about these benches is that there's boards back here that unsnap, and they make this whole thing a bed. So if we have the back area full of motorcycles, we still have a nice full-size bed to sleep in. Get a good night's rest. We have 2 water tanks on this bus because we wanted a ton of fresh water. So we have a 60-gallon water tank underneath this area, underneath the bus, and then we have a 40-gallon inside here. And we have valves that we can switch back and forth from one tank to the other. And the reason why we wanted 2 water tanks is so if we're in freezing conditions, the inside water tank won't freeze and we can still have our running water. Yep. And then here we have built-in tables and benches. We have a gas fireplace, so when we're off-grid, we still have heat with propane. It's a ventless heater. These things work great, heats the whole bus up. And then we have electric heat here, so when we're plugged in the shoreline, we can do that. We also have a candle slash wine holder here on the stone walls. About 12 cup holders. Again, cork on the counters, cork on the walls here, cork here. These drawers, everything was handmade, and they lift up to come out so they don't slide out when you're going down the road.
And the lips. All the tables.
Yeah, there's lips on all the tables so stuff can't slide off when you're going. I notice a lot of the builds, they don't have lips on their counters. So if they have a cell phone or a charger or anything, it can slide off when you're driving.
I throw a blanket over my table to keep everything on it.
There you go. That works.
And then the cat slides the blanket off. So
yeah, we got all the lip inspiration and stuff from a boat because we figured boats. So we had a lot of inspiration. And that's what the ceiling. Everything was kind of modeled off the underneath of a nice yacht.
Right.
So that's where we got that inspiration from. Again, the refrigerator and everything runs off solar, 24 hours a day for free. We have our bathroom slash shower combo here. It's got the crescent moon shape. And in here is the toilet, but it's also a shower combo because it's all PVC plastic in here. So once you close this door, it's like a steam room. And you can either open the window and have a nice view outside or keep everything closed for privacy, depending if you're at the beach, in the woods, or at a campground. And then here's our kitchen area. Here is a 30 amp hot water heater, electric, and this runs off our inverter. So we don't need to, we'll never run out of hot water basically with the solar system and everything. Here's our sink. We have all the running water and everything. Hot water. Here's our stove. Under there. Here's where...
lose the counter space.
Yeah, we didn't want to lose the counter space, so we built this. So once you're done cooking, you can split all your pots here. And this is where our food and storage and coffee maker pots and pans are. In here is a full-size closet. We wanted a big closet because when you're on the road, you don't necessarily want to be living out of a suitcase. So we built a hat rack, and then this is her side, his side, and everything extra under there. And this is my favorite part about the build, is the garage. Now this looks like a bedroom. We have a bed back here because we don't have our motorcycles in it. But once we put the motorcycles through the back door, we can take all this stuff, all this breaks down, and we have tie-down hooks here, and there's 4 across the top and 4 across the back, and then we have motorcycle wheel chalk hooks here, which you can snap in and run the motorcycles up in. And in this garage/bedroom, you can fit 3 full-size motorcycles, and then still set up the front area for your sleeping quarters.
Now, how much solar do you have?
We have 600 watts of solar. Yep.
Cool. And I
So it's
assume
got
this is a
everything we need.
inflatable bed.
It is
Just
It is a frame style, like an easy up tent would be,
oh, okay.
and it folds up and it goes in one of our storage bins. And then the memory foam pads and mattresses that are on top, we can put them
Out front.
on in the
Yeah,
bed
when you
up
can
front,
put it
so
back.
we have a full-size bed. We don't lose any.
Multifunctional.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very nice.
Thank you.
Yep. Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank
Thank
you
you for the
much.
tour.
Yep. No
Thank
problem.
you.
I hope you enjoyed the tour of this week's rig, and join us again next Saturday for another episode.